Hello and welcome to the program. Boy, what a week in the markets. We expected volatility and we got it. And before we get into the charts to check it out, we got a goal of getting 100 subscribers. So please subscribe, hit the like up button. It helps get the video out there. I really appreciate it. So if you just, again, click that subscribe button, let people know, gets the algorithms going. And let's get into the charts. As we said, volatility means opportunity. So we had anything but a sideways moving chart this week. And here's the SPY representing the S&P 500 on a daily chart here. This was here's our downtrend that we had from last week. Last Friday, bounced at the top, but shot right up. We really expected maybe something, to come back down. But you never know. So here's Monday. Big volatility, big move here, big move here, big down day Thursday, and then today, Friday. Now, if you look closely here, we tested the support here at 437.45 twice, and then weak, and then on Wednesday it was weak, Thursday, and that's it, gave up. So that's interesting. And we bounced past 432. Are we heading back to 426? We'll have to see. Let's go down and show you some of the intraday moves here. We'll go to a 30-minute chart. So that would be this week's pretty much from here. This would be last Friday. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the days. Look at these moves here. I mean, right up here. Big move here. Cross. Big move up. And then a big drop. I mean, you can anticipate that. Reading the level 2, the time in sales, big drop and then a big rise. I mean, you could short it and then long. I mean, there was plenty of opportunity here. Then down, up, big drop on Thursday. Another big drop today. So we're losing strength. No doubt about it. Let's throw a quick, go back to the daily chart here. Throw a quick study here. Let's see. We're going to throw in. Let's zoom that out. We got 4 lines here. Okay, I'll zoom in a little closer. The purple line is the 5-day moving average. Okay, the purple line. The red line, the yellow line is a 20-day moving average. So we broke below the 5-day moving average. We touched the 20-day moving average. The red line is the 50-day moving average, so we're well below the 50-day moving average right now. And the green line is a 200-day moving average, 421. It's down here. So if they continue that downtrend, at the bottom of this channel down here, right now it's 421. So that's slowly rising as long as it stays here. It's like buying time. As long as time goes by, these channels go up. So I just wanted to throw that on there. Let's take a bigger look here and see what's going on a weekly time frame here. Let me go ahead. Okay. So here we are for the week. Last week was pretty bullish. It had a bottoming tail, and yes, it resulted to be bullish. Opened up here, pushed all the way up to 437, and then half of it back, and it ended the week at 432. So, it's not bad. We're still above this downtrend line. For now, we're going to leave this. I'm not going to draw any analysis here because we're still in play here. We're already back to the top of this range of the downtrend. So right now, we leave it alone. It's nothing to do with it. So we got this war going on. The 10-year yield's been up and down all over the place. We had it up to 480. Let's take a look at this real quick. We had as much as like a 480 on October 9th, all the way down as low as, where will we get down here, like 453. These are very volatile moves. A lot of instability. If the yields go up, the markets go down. So we end up ending the week at 462, 4.62. Relative strength of the US dollar. Oh, what happened here? Here we go. Is 106.67. So the dollar's gaining strength as well. So, you know, it's getting a little more fear in the markets right now. And we'll have to see what happens. Oil, by the way, shot up. The WTI went down as low as like $82. And it now is closed today at 87. Actually, it went up 5.8% today alone. 87.72. So there'll be some nice oil trades going on. Yeah, look at that. I can see here, look. MRO, Marathon Oil. What a nice trade that would have been today. Right there. Right off that little red line we had here. What a big move. From 25.65 to 28.07. So, you know, you got a 4.74% moving that alone. So let's take a quick look at the SPY, or the QQQ, I'm sorry. We're going to go to the, here's the weekly chart. It looks just like the SPY. It almost looks the same, except we're in an uptrend in the QQQ rather than a downtrend. We broke out of, here's those charts, by the way. We went up out of the trend, back down, testing the top of the uptrend. So the SPY's testing the top of the downtrend, the QQQ's testing the top of the uptrend. And right now, as it looks, we are closed the day below the 5-day moving average, below the 50-day moving average, and a little bit above the 20-day moving average. So let's go ahead and remove that. So that's the QQQ. It really broke out. Let's look at this on a weekly chart real fast. Weekly chart, again, very similar to the SPY, but we're in the uptrend here. So, man, I'll tell you, technology is really pretty strong. The SPY is a lot weaker right now. And look, the volume's been kicking in pretty nice too. So if we go to the the SPY real fast, take a look at that volume. Yeah, the volume's pretty strong as well. So that's it. By the way, somebody wanted me to check Palantir. We'll go to the daily chart here, take a look. Palantir, by the way, oh wow, look at that, guys. It never reached its high, but it did break out of the 16.99 range. Made a way all the way up to 18.43. So maybe it'll come back to 16.99 to 15.66, down to 14. But it's been holding its 14 range really nice. And Tesla, somebody asked me about that. Tesla's been, there we go. There are these points we drew. Boom, boom, boom. So here it looks, we're getting weaker. We're still in this uptrend, but the highs are getting lower. So we got a high here, a lower high here, and now a lower high here. But we're still maintaining higher lows. So real fast, we'll just put a little mark on there. And right now, there we go. Tesla, lower highs, higher lows. So we're almost coming into a wedge here. We could draw a quick little line here. Actually, there's a little bit of a wedge there. We'll make this one red real quick. Maybe like a pink. Maybe make it darker. Well, here we go. So leave that. That's a wedge here coming in with this uptrend. So as soon as something's going to have to happen here, we're going to break out of this uptrend. Well, a lot's got to do with the strength of the dollar, because then it costs too much for them to export the vehicles, or other foreign countries to buy the vehicle. So that's about it for now. Again, please subscribe to the video. I'll keep you posted. I appreciate you watching, and have a great weekend. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.